So question number 11 देखना है आज हमें. So we have question number 11 as, so if y is equal to, so we are given that y is equal to 5 times cos of x, 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, we have to prove that d2y divided by dx square plus y is equal to 0. ठीक है, वो इथिनियन क्वेश्चन मज यथ मज we have to prove this equality. ठीक है, इथिनियन क्वेश्चन मज गोडनेथै तुह जहनस मज थाउन कि युस ये इक्वेशन we have to simplify as per the need of this equation. ठीक है, युस ये इक्वेशन आसना सॉल्व करें, युस इक्वेशन ये इक्वालिटी युस ये हावन आस. So accordingly calculation यह मज ते करें as per our need. ठीक है, so गोडनेथ अगर छो, so we have to find d2y by dx square and we have y value is already there. ठीक है, y is given. Now we have to compute d2y by dx square. So simply we have to compute the second derivative of the y. So we will be first of all finding the first derivative and then we will obtain the second derivative. So इमें मतलब गणना करो यार first differentiation. So this is equation first, differentiating both sides with respect to x, and we will obtain dy by dx. ठीक है, dy by dx. So 5 is constant, so it will be 5 as it is. What will be differentiation of cos x minus sin x minus 3 gets sin x differentiation, so it will be 3 cos x. So this is, name this equation second. This is dy by dx. Now we have to obtain d2y by dx square, which means we have to differentiate this again. So differentiating again. So this will be d by dx of dy by dx of dy by dx, which is equal to d2y by dx square. यह भी एक फिर डिफरेंशिएशन करें, समझ आए वहाँ. So this is minus 5 sin x की डिफरेंशिएशन cos of x minus 3 cos x, 3 as it is, cos x is क्या है minus sin x, but then minus into minus will be plus. So this is cos of x. ठीक है, so cos x is sin of x. So this is sin of x. ठीक है, द्राव कमुक वैल्यू d2y divided by dx square. वो तुलो यह हावन अगर ये चीज़ करो simplify, left hand side we have to show that is equal to 0. So we will take the left hand side of the thing which we have to prove. So we can write now d2y divided by dx square plus y is equal to. ठीक है, याद था say this is equation third. ठीक है, third मज अगर इसकी वैल्यू तुलो d2y by dx square. So what is value of d2y by dx square? That is minus 5 cos of x plus 3 sin x. इसकी वैल्यू शो d2y by dx square plus value of y. ठीक है, what is value of y? 5 cos x, so that is 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. ठीक है, so अब देखिए minus 5 cos x plus 5 cos x, so this thing and this will cancel out. Then we have 3 sin x plus 3 sin x minus 3 sin x. So overall cost बराबर है 0. So that means d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. ठीक है, simple question है याद में simply we have to plug in the value of y and the second derivative. ठीक है, write down. Question number 12, if y is equal to cos inverse x, find d2y by dx square in terms of y alone. ठीक है, that means we have to find the second order derivative d2y by dx square, but that has to be in terms of y. ठीक है, in terms of y. So गोडनेथ करो इस first order derivative and then we will be computing the second order derivative. So dy by dx, so dy by dx का बराबर है minus 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. ठीक है, 1 minus x square. इस को क्वेश्चन रूल थी अप्लाई करिए, या को ये रिजल्ट थी कंसीडर करिए. Since we know d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. ठीक है, so differentiating again, so it will be d2y by dx square. ठीक है, so minus already निब्र करना minus minus 1 by x, 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x. What is x here? Under root of 1 minus x. ठीक है, आगे whole square, वो कुछ कुछ x जाए consider under root x. ठीक है, so it will be d by dx of under root of 1 minus x square. ठीक है, 1 minus x square. So which is minus into minus will be plus, so it will be one, square to root guys cancel, so it will be 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus x square. What is that? 1 divided by twice under root of 1 minus x square. But this internal differentiation का 1 minus x square. So what will be that? Minus 2x. That will be minus 2x. ठीक है, so this will be again this 2 and 2 will cancel out. So this will be minus x divided by 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus x square. ठीक है, ये क्या in terms of x. This is in terms of x, but we have to find it in terms of y, in terms of y alone. तम खतर क्या करो इस करो ये y is equal to cos inverse x. We will convert this into in terms of y. So अगर y च cos inverse x, what do we mean? x का वैल्यू क्या होगा? cos of y. So x is equal to cos of y. ठीक है, x is demo value cos of y. So this will be minus cos of y divided by 1 minus cos square y into under root of 1 minus cos square y. So this will be minus cos of y as it is. So 1 minus cos square y, okay, sin square y into this will be sin y. ठीक है, under root है, so this will be sin y. So this will be only sin of y. ठीक है, समझ आया वहाँ? So cos y divided by sin y, this will be minus cot of y and then sin square y अगर ह्यूर का, so this will be cosec square y. ठीक है, cosec square y. So this is only in terms of y. So this is in terms of y alone. ठीक है, write down. So question number 13, if y is equal to 3 cos log of x plus 4 sin log of x, show that we have to show x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0 ठीक है, नोटेशन उन थो जाए ख्याल. So notation ची देखिए x square means x square, y2 here means y2 मतलब ची d2y divided by dx square. ठीक है, x is the variable x and y1 is notation for y1 means dy divided by dx. ठीक है, इतने क्वेश्चन में जो खास कर नोटेशन ध्यान था. ठीक है, नोटेशन क्या आमज accordingly पर evaluation as per the notation. So we have to find y2 means d2y divided by dx square. गोने चाहिए y चाहिए d तो और y पर क्या करो इस y1 यूसेज कैलकुलेट करो, उसके बाद we have to calculate y2. ठीक है, so अब पहले कैलकुलेट कीजिए y1. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it will be dy by dx. मगर dy by dx is notation चाहिए कि y1. So it will be y1 will be 3 gesial. ठीक है, cos of log x. So it will be minus sign of log x. ठीक है, पद गए log x as internal differentiation. What will be that? 1 divided by x plus 4 गए sin of log x. So it will be cos of log x. Internal differentiation guys log x, that will be again 1 divided by x. ठीक है, अगर थोड़ा further भी करो simplify, so this will be minus 3 sin log of x plus 4 cos log of x. ठीक है, whole divided by x. This is equal to y1. ठीक है, so ये अगर वो करूँ y2 कैलकुलेट. ठीक है, y2 है को इस पर कैलकुलेट करिए, इस को या क्वोशंट रूल अप्लाई करे, मगर क्वोशंट रूल अप्लाई करने से गए थोड़ा बहुत लेंथी. ठीक है, सो अवॉइड करने खतर क्या करो इस x योर मल्टीप्लाई. ठीक है, x करो इस योर मल्टीप्लाई. सो दिस विल बी x into y1. So we can write or x y1 is equal to minus 3 sin log of x plus 4 प्लस 4 cos ऑफ log ऑफ x ठीक है प्लस 4 cos log ऑफ x ठीक है योकुन थयो नजर सरी so it will be x y1 now we have to differentiate again दानिश योकुन x y1 ठीक है so x y1 इसकी differentiation product rule ठीक है first function गैस याल x गैस याल what will be differentiation of y1 y1 is the differentiation direct to y2 differentiation of y1 what will be that y2 so it will be y2 plus y1 as it is xc with respect to x that will be 1 समझाएगा so it will be 1 so it will be 1 समझाएगा is equal to अब फिर से इसकी differentiation so this will be minus 3 गैसल sin x क्या है cos of log of x divided by x plus minus 4 cos असी sin log of x divided by x ठीक है x और x फिर से कॉमन निकालिए so it will be minus 3 cos of log of x minus 4 sin of log of x divided by x and here in the left hand side we have x y2 plus y1 अब ये x फिर से यहाँ शिफ्ट कीजिए so it will be x into x square it will be x square y2 plus x into y1 it will be xy1 is equal to minus 3 cos of log of x minus 4 sin of log of x ठीक है अगर ये सीध करो माइनस एन करो सीध कॉमन ठीक है इमो दो टर्म एन करो माइनस कॉमन so it will be plus here so that means we have x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus what is this thing equal to 3 cos log of x plus 4 sin log of x is equal to y so this will be minus y अब ये y यहाँ शिफ्ट कीजिए so it is x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0 ठीक है this is why what we had to obtain x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0 ठीक है लिखिए so question number 14 is y is equal to a into e raised to power mx plus b into e raised to power nx ठीक है e raised to power nx we have to show that d2y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y is equal to 0 ठीक है सिंपली से यदन y दित y बजाय करो इसकी dy by dx वैल्यू कैलकुलेट एंड देन वी विल कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ d2y by dx स्क्वायर ठीक है ये वैल्यू करो इस y इज हियर वी हैव टू कंप्यूट dy by dx एंड d2y by dx स्क्वायर तुम वैल्यू त्राओ इस यथ इक्वेशन में एंड देन विल बी शोइंग दैट द राइट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू 0 ठीक है सो सिंपली करो इस क्या y छेस दित वी विल कंप्यूट dy by dx एंड d2y by dx समझाए वहाँ ठीक है सो y छेस और दित वी विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंप्यूट dy by dx एंड देन d2y by dx स्क्वायर so we have y is equal to this name this equation first ठीक है and then we'll be finding the first derivative so it will be dy by dx का बराबर है so it will be a छा constant a जैसे l e raised to power mx क्या है e raised to power mx guys internal differentiation m as it is x with respect to x1 so it will be m times a into e raised to power mx ठीक है इथे पड़ गए ये b गए l e raised to power nx गए e raised to power nx से पद गए nx internal differentiation that will be n ठीक है so this will be first derivative name this equation second now differentiating again so this will be d2y divided by dx square m गए l a into e raised to power mx क्या है m गैसा l ठीक है a गैसा l e raised to power mx क्या है e raised to power mx पद गैस b mx internal differentiation mx क्या है m so m करो यहाँ से multiply so it will be m square plus इधर पेट गए सीट n square b into e raised to power nx name this equation third ठीक है वो तो लो इस यही equation now we can write now d2y divided by dx square d2y divided by dx square minus m plus n ठीक है m plus n अगर इस अक्ष पे कम करो so we can multiply m plus n with dy by dx so it will be m times dy by dx m times dy by dx ठीक है minus m times dy by dx minus n times dy by dx समझ आया वहाँ देखिए माइनस से करो मल्टीप्लाई इट विल बी माइनस एम सो माइनस एम करो कहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई डी वाई बाई डी एक्स से माइनस एन करो डी वाई बाई डी एक्स से मल्टीप्लाई प्लस एम एन इंटू वाई इज इक्वल टू 0 ठीक है अब डी टू वाई डिवाइड बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर का वैल्यू इक्वेशन थर्ड से लीजिए सो इट विल बी एम स्क्वायर ए इंटू ई रेज टू पावर एम एक्स माई प्लस n square b into e raised to power nx this is value of d2y by dx square ठीक है minus m what is value of what is dy by dx का value m से अगर आप multiply करो so it will be m times a into e raised to power mx plus n times b into e raised to power nx ठीक है minus n times dy by dx का वैल्यू again m a e raised to power mx plus n b e raised to power nx ठीक है plus mn into y what is value of y a into e raised to power mx प्लस b इंटू ई रेज टू पावर nx ठीक है वो ये टर्म करें सिंप्लीफाई अब देखिए m स्क्वायर a इंटू ई रेज टू पावर mx या गो माइनस m स्क्वायर ठीक है अगर सिंप्लीफाई करो b सो विल बी m स्क्वायर a इंटू ई रेज टू पावर mx प्लस n स्क्वायर b इंटू ई रेज टू पावर nx माइनस m इंटू n m स्क्वायर a into e raised to power mx minus is multiply minus m into n so it will be m n b into e raised to power nx minus n into m so it will be m n अगर इस ऑर्डर्स में लिखो a into e raised to power mx minus ठीक है माइनस n into n स्क्वायर b into e raised to power nx ठीक है प्लस m n से जाके मल्टीप्लाई so it will be m n a into e raised to power mx plus mn into b into e raised to power nx अब कैंसिल करते जाइए टर्म्स देखिए m स्क्वायर a raised to power mx का से गैस कैंसिल m स्क्वायर a raised to power mx ये टर्म तो भी ये टर्म गैस कैंसिल m स्क्वायर a into e raised to power mx n स्क्वायर b into e raised to power nx ठीक है सो ये टर्म अब n स्क्वायर की टर्म कहाँ है n स्क्वायर b इंटू ई रेज टू पावर nx मकले ये टर्म ते मकले ये टर्म ते मकले ये मकले माइनस एम एन बी रेज टू पावर b इंटू ई रेज टू पावर nx माइनस एम एन लास्ट पे ठीक है ये टर्म ते भी ये टर्म गाइस कैंसिल and the remaining term is mn a into e raised to power mx so guys यह टर्म से कैंसिल and the remaining over is 0 only 16 if we have e raised power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1 then show that we have to show d2y divided by dx square is equal to dy divided by dx divided by dx whole square ठीक है while question number 15 you see it is on the similar line as of question number 14 ठीक है you have to try it on your own because you try So e raised power y यहाँ पे we have e raised power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1 we have to show d2y and its second derivative ये chance again you have to take care of the notation as d2y divided by dx square means second derivative यादन क्या है dy divided by dx यानी first derivative की उस value च सुच आमुत क्या तमियुक च स्क्वायर ठीक है while ये क्यों तो ये notation तो भी ये notation छन same this means second derivative this means first derivative man jus function I tim function square ठीक है obviously asan the values different but here we have to show d2y by dx square is equal to dy divided by dx whole square ठीक है so first of all we will be finding dy by dx that means we will be differentiating both sides with respect to x ठीक है obviously like product rule so e raised to power y guess e raised to power y as it is so what will be derivative of x plus 1 x is different, x plus 1, so it will be 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, ठीक है, plus next time guys x plus 1 guys l into differentiation of e raised power y, e raised power y is क्या है, e raised power y पर dy by dx into dy by dx into dy by dx is equal to 0, ठीक है. So we'll have x plus 1 into e raised to power y into dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to, so it will be minus e raised to power y, ठीक है, minus e raised to power y. So x plus 1 into y, what is this, x plus 1 into y equal to x plus 1 into e raised to power y, so this is equal to 1, so this will be 1 into dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to power y, ठीक है, minus e raised power y, that means dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to power y, minus e raised to power y, ठीक है. Now differentiating again, so it will be d2y divided by dx square, d2y divided by dx square, so it will be minus as it is, ठीक है, e raised to power y is क्या है, e raised to power y into guys dy by dx into dy by dx, ठीक है, which is again minus e raised to power y. What is dy by dx equal to, ऊपर देखिए dy by dx is equal to minus e raised power y, so this will be minus e raised to power y, ठीक है, e raised power y, यह कोई simply यत्ती value दियत e raised to power y कोई, so this will be minus e raised to power y, minus e raised power y is equal to dy by dx, so it will be dy divided by dx into कैसे वापस ही dy divided by dx, dy divided by dx, and this is equal to dy divided by dx whole square, dy divided by dx whole square, ठीक है, समझ आवा. देखिए, so question number 17, if y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, tan inverse x whole square, we have to show x square plus 1 whole square into y2, ठीक है, y2 means second derivative, ठीक है, y2 means second derivative plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to 2, ठीक है, इसे simplify करना and we have to show this is equal to 2. So पहले first order derivative, what will be that, dy divided by dx, so differentiating 1, so dy by dx is equal to y1, ठीक है, y1, so यहाँ क्या होगा, so it will be x square, composite function है ना, x square, ठीक है, x square, so it will be twice tan inverse x, twice tan inverse x, plus internal differentiation का tan inverse x, what will be that, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, ठीक है, अगर इस b करो इस simplify, so this will be y1 is equal to twice tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square, ठीक है, 1 plus x square, वो अगर atomic पर करो इसी और multiply, ठीक है, 1 plus x square करो इसी और multiply, so it will be y1 into 1 plus x square, y1 into 1 plus x square is equal to twice tan inverse x, twice tan inverse x. अब फिर से differentiation कीजिए, differentiating again, so differentiating again यह like product rule, ठीक है, first function यल यानी y1 का यल differentiation of 1 plus x square, so क्या है 0 plus 2x plus 1 plus x square as it is 1 plus x square, so differentiation of y1 differentiation क्या है y2, so it will be y2 is equal to twice tan inverse x is क्या है 1 divided by 1 plus x square, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, ठीक है, but question is में चाहिए लिखित क्या 1 plus x square बजाय क्या x square plus 1, so 1 plus x square बजाय है कुछ लिखित x square plus 1, because these are real numbers and real numbers do follow the commutative property, यानी 1 plus x square है कौन लिखित x square plus 1 is बराबर, so it will be y1 into 2x, so it will be 2x y1 plus 1 plus x square y2 is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. अब 1 plus x square फिर से यहाँ multiply कीजिए, so it will be 2x y1 into 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x square, so already 1 plus x square ये big as multiplied, it will be 1 square x square whole square into y2 is equal to 2, ठीक है, orders में अगर इस लिखो with the higher order derivative first, so y2 ना higher order derivative गणित लिखो इसे, So it will be 1 plus x square whole square y 2 plus ये अगर इस ऑर्डर्स में लिखो so it will be 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 ठीक है 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2 ठीक है which is this equation x square plus 1 square मगर ये क्या हुआ 1 plus x but we can flip 1 plus x square with x square plus 1 ठीक है so which is the end result ठीक है so this concludes the exercise.